about, hey, hey, here he is. I was looking at my sticker boards, thinking where I'm gonna move them next. I think I don't know because I don't want to cover up nothing. My yeah, maybe. Hey, you watching the Blue Bike and Noise channel, better known as the TB and B TBB and Noise channel. Just gonna abbreviate because B works for black or blue. Black or blue. Run an intro. I don't know, have a clue what I'm doing. Uh, you ever have one of them days you don't feel like doing nothing? No, I have them days all the time. Just lazy. Like I said, I double checked my tire pressures. Everything's good. Ready to roll out Friday morning. I need to pack up my. How to let everything air out. It's stinky when it gets wet and put up wet. That falling down. I guess so. Why is it falling down? See that? Heat, right there. Take that down, move that over there. Maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, let's get started with something. I might work on the PST something. PO's ST. Hey. It's funny when you look all over the place for something and then you find it, what you're looking for. I put it up there so I wouldn't lose it. And I looked and looked and looked because I was going to take this with me on the trip because it's my hold up, hey, have them do an interview with you. But I didn't because I didn't find it till just now. Guess it go to bed with me. So let's do something else. I put it back up there, so I stuck it right there. And I looked and said, I don't know what I did with it. Then a snake it have bit me. I got a new pair of gloves. And I need some scissors to cut these. Well, I had them, but my other one, they got wet and they got stinking. They was falling apart anyway. I already had these ordered and they've been in the house of my Odin gloves. They're real good. I like Odin. I like these are better. These are kind of summer gloves. They don't have the hole like, unless you can do this and this. But on the Harley, the touch screen. Yeah. Here's the problem I ran into. I hate this little thing. I might could do it. You can't. Yeah, you ain't watching. Do this. We just dicking around. Got him. Here he is. Can you see? What you see? This thing out here gave me a lot of problems. It worked fine till one day it just stopped. You can't. Yes. It's close to. I got it. Whew, see how you get frustrated. I got frustrated a lot because this thing wouldn't come up. Now my hands smell like gas. This just sucks. You can't get your fingers. I'm gonna fool with this for a while. So we'll see in a minute. I don't know. I'm frustrated now. Telemarketers probably. A work telling me, can you do this? We just came up with it. Hello.
Good morning or afternoon or midway, whatever we got going on here. I guess you're late for Friday.
You need to look at the schedule because I'm off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay. Alrighty, I'll get it changed.
I was like, dang it. I was hoping you called yesterday, and I'm like, well.
Well, I guess what they didn't say their default for you on this load, and I guess it was.
What's a default? Because I'm the default.
Like, put your name on that load and set it the default mode in your brain instead of looking at the calendar.
No. All right. So, all right. Yep. All right. Bye. I swear. I don't know. Here's a little trick. I've been told I've seen people fold them up. Well, also people that traveled off the Appalachian Trail that does a lot of tent camping. It's better just to shove your tent instead of folding it, because when you fold it, you put creases in it, and the creases can make a leak. That's what. So I mean, it ain't like a blanket. I mean, something that you gotta be neat about. I just take mine and used to roll it up, but it's just easier just to do this. Just shove them in there. Just shove it in there. Get your frustration out. Oh, me. Friday. I bet I should say, well, what's it got? I got a bunch of stops. It stops in one place. Then you go 2 or 3 hours south where you're going, and you can't have enough time to get home. Then they call you Friday. About midday, I got your load for Sunday. Then I'm not going to get home to Saturday. Oh, well, weekend's off. Home on weekends. That never works out. It does for us, but anyway, I got one down. Let me do the other one. Would you watch it? You see me do one, you see me do 100. I gotta roll my, what I gotta roll up? I gotta put my rain suits back up because they were stinky and I washed them and I sprayed them with some rain repellent. We might need them Sunday. Just anxiety, I don't know what you call it. I don't know. Just get anxiety for a trip. That's why I don't like, sometimes I got to let my anxiety win. I don't feel like, stress and anxiety. Hey, this is June is mental health month. It's also veterans get one day. See how, then you just shove it down in there. We shove it down in hers, but she's the pack mule. That's her rain suit thingy. It's down in there. We might do something with S10. I don't know. I don't know. Well, I've been using this slick stuff wrong. This is the all multi-surface shine and protect. Cleans, shines, renew faded surfaces. Great on plastic, rubber, vinyl. Reduce mud adhesive. Fresh tropical scent. It's sweet smelling. But the directions says, on a clean, dry surface, apply a light, even coat and allow solution to disperse and absorb for 1 to 2 minutes. Wipe or buff into surface with a clean microfiber towel. What was that? Until desired luster is achieved. Note, always test a comparable small amount. I always just been spraying it on and wiping it off. Let's see what happens when you let it soak for a Yeah, sweet smell. All right, start the clock. 2 minutes. Where's my phone? There it is. 1 to 2 minutes. Done. Alright, we can stop that. Alright, now let's wipe it off with a clean towel. Microfiber towel. Let's see. And I'm going to rub till I get the lustrous sides. I want. If you're going to do something, do it right. Whew, I like it. Ding. Alright, that's, like I said, I need to put that in there for somebody and I don't want to forget it. You double check everything on my glasses. My stickers. Yep, everything looks like it's in there. So I'm gonna take the trash off. Take to the, you know where to the dump, dump. Something, there's a Lone Ranger joke in there. Something about where did Pink Panther. Anyway, I gotta grab up my trash, and you can go watch that video there. Check out that one and hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe. It helps me out some. It helps. Later. See you down the road. Bye.